The market continued trending down, but I just made $10,000 500 because we trade crypto pumps. First trade recap. Let me show the trades I share in the private list. Sorry, this is a very good example. You're a new member, you gotta understand right now how this thing works. So we trade coin based on high volume, guys. Now, right now, those coins I share in the private list is Unizen and XYO. Take a look, this volume is running in the last hour. Unizen has $700,000 in volume and XYO has almost 12 million. Okay, we made above 100% profit. First trade recap right here, XYO. Sorry, this is very important you understand. I shared this trade in the private list right here. We bought this coin on yesterday at 10 a.m. We bought this coin for 0.0031 and you put a sell order up here, 0.0055. I made $7,000 500, guys. Now, Sarah, like I mentioned before, the soft calculate volume spike plus buyer power. Take a look at this candle down here. This is a volume spike, guys. Take a look here. Volume spike right here. Spike from $232,000 to 4.3 million. And one more time, volume spike right here from $31,000 up to 5.9 million. Sarah, that's how you make money. You only jump in coins with high volume and high buyer power. So after I share what happened to the price, went up, way up here. For you guys are watching this video YouTube, please subscribe. Let's trade together because together we are strong. Feel free to reach me out if you'd like to get those trades in real time. pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. Next trade recap is Unizen. Guys, Unizen, we made 30%. 30% is a lot of money. I put $10,000 here, I made $3,000. One more time, guys. Same example, Sarah. Right here. Take a look. Volume spike, volume spike, volume spike, volume spike. Buyer power fills right here. And I shared this trade in the private list for 0.0663 and you put a sell order up here, 0.008. I made $3,000. I'm pretty good. So guys, you gotta understand, in order to calculate buyer power, I need to collect data from those exchanges up here. By API, I know what coin is running with high volume and high buyer power. Coinbase, KuCoin, Binance. You gotta be asking yourself, because today some specific coin pump their amount of money. But let me show the difference the coin we trade. Okay, so those coins here, they come from, this coin example pump today 700%. Okay, this coin pump 2600%. That's insane pumps, right? But let me see where this coin from. I open the coin here, go to market. This coin is located in phony exchange. We don't trade coins based on pancake swap. This is a bullshit exchange, guys. Okay, our coins, just to have an example, XYO, right? That was the coin we pump. We trade XYO. So look the difference. Market. That's how you trade coins to make money. This coin is located in big exchange with high volume and real volume. Coinbase, KuCoin, Uniswap, SushiSwap. So only this Coinbase and KuCoin, I have a volume enough to make a lot of money. So in order to trade those coins, guys, we focus on the exchange with more volume. Okay, so I'm collect this data from the first 25 exchange on the market. Okay, up to Bittrex is gonna be 30. You don't see all those exchange up here because the URL space is not enough. But that's how I find those pump and dumps. Like I mentioned before, let's trade together. Together we are strong. That's the reason I share my trades to a pump and dump list, because more people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. Feel free to reach me out anytime, anywhere. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.